Welcome to Kaliru. Now we are going to see recognize features. Usually we import different kind of step files from different SolidWorks versions. Normally if you insert a version of SolidWorks from 2023 example, you are using 20 versions means just to import that step file, recognize the features and save it with your default SolidWorks versions. Okay, just to go to settings and choose add-in options. Afterwards, select a Features Work tab. Then click OK. Now move to Insert Feature Works, then Recognize Features. This is an options to recognize all kind of features. Example, there are different kind of tools and functions here. Extrude, revolve, draft, rib, all kind of functions are analyzed and get that features back to our own SolidWorks files. This kind of recognized features is helpful to input multiple number of SolidWorks versions in our own SolidWorks versions file. Okay. Now all files are recognized. All that will be updated with our specifications tree itself. Just to note that all kind of functions are updated now in our specifications tree. Once the function is updated, you can save it with your own SolidWorks spot files. Just choose a save command to save it. This is how to use that recognize features to your versions. Choose whatever the components you need to import it.